Just a quick one. Well, it's 5 o'clock. We've had an extremely busy day. Is that unusual? No. Every day is extremely busy. So on our little debrief chat, Lydia and I were just discussing how proud and pleased we are with Chantel joining our team. She had to hit the track running because there are no slack days at the Men's Health Clinic. It is go, go, go. So well done, Sham. Thank you for being part of the team. Hard work. It's all about hard work. Lydia and I live and breathe this. When I say live and breathe this, I mean live and breathe this. It literally is non-stop, whether it be actual clinical work, answering emails, admin, blah, 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 or development work. We've got some really exciting stuff coming up. But damn, we're so busy. It's hard to actually find the time to do that stuff. But now that I'm not working weekends, the time that I should be having off, I might be able to do a bit of development work. And why are we doing development work? Because our model is really good. So why do we need to add more things to our service? It's not because we're struggling, we are flourishing. It's because we want to offer an even better service to you guys. So what does that mean? Well, from a testosterone perspective, hopefully you understand that we offer the best service available here in the UK, Europe, and I would say worldwide, but I would say that. So we do have some potentially exciting news, but that's in development, so I'm not going to say anything about that. But yeah, we need to appreciate that there are other aspects to health that need to be addressed in order for you to feel the benefits of testosterone replacement therapy. It's not really what it's about. It's actually about providing a holistic service, and understanding that a specialist may well specialize in one field of medicine, whether that be endocrinology, neurology, psychiatry, whatever. But in order to provide a complete service, you need to address the other aspects of health. Now that's namely lifestyle, nutrition, and exercise. We're not going to address physical exercise because that field is saturated, and everybody has different expectations, requirements, etc. There's also another very important reason why we're not addressing exercise. There is an unfortunate association of testosterone replacement therapy with lifestyle, athletic build, being optimized, being Superman, making you more of a man, more macho, and that's all bullshit. Okay, so the whole purpose of testosterone replacement therapy is normalization. Sounds a bit dull, doesn't it? But it's not, because normalization means that you should be strong. You should be able to procreate. So why? Well, your DNA wants you to be strong. Why does it want you to be strong? Well, number one, you need to be able to attract a mate, and then you need to be strong enough to look after your offspring once you've procreated. So boom, there you go. That's what it's all about, normalization. So when some of the others talk about optimization. They'll take their tops off, show you their six packs. It's just not something we want to be associated with. Can you get ripped on testosterone replacement therapy? Of course you can, but you've got to put the hard work in, okay? Because if you actually understand male hormone optimization and appreciate that, you will be far better having balanced normal male androgen levels than you will be having high levels, and understanding that the purpose of testosterone replacement therapy is long-term, not short-term, long-term physical and psychological health. We have a very logical and methodical approach to testosterone replacement therapy, and we adopt that approach because that's what's needed, okay? Short-term gains gained without due diligence unfortunately leads to negative consequences. So a prime example of that would be a sudden dramatic drop in SHBG. So as you guys already know from my previous videos, I hold a lot of weight to SHBG. So over-aggressive protocols cause a dramatic decrease in SHBG, and we don't want that to happen because, as we've said before, the half-life of testosterone is very short, so you actually want it to bind to SHBG to help facilitate the process of homeostasis, to help facilitate growth and repair. So we've discussed this before, less is more sometimes. It doesn't mean it's the wrong thing to do, but it's the right thing to do, because you should feel cracking on testosterone replacement therapy. And when I say cracking, I mean normal, but you should only feel cracking if you do all the right things, okay? And it's a multifaceted thing. So there are lots of aspects to lifestyle, there are lots of aspects to nutrition, and there are lots of aspects to physical exercise. And each of those aspects needs tinkering with constantly. So we always talk about the importance of a journey, not the destination, and appreciating the now. Looking back at your past, we've all made mistakes, but as long as you've learned from those mistakes and you move forwards with gusto, then congratulations, because that's what's important. It's an appreciation of the journey. So physical exercise, we're not going to do that, okay? Because we don't want to be associated with them, and it's a field that's already saturated. What we are going to be looking at is nutrition. So we do have some exciting information to present to you soon. I'm not going to tell you what it is yet. It's not that exciting, but hopefully it's exciting. Because as you should be aware now, we are a private medical clinic first and foremost. We are not a business first and foremost. We are a private medical clinic that will always act in your best interests. So everything that we do has your best interests at heart. So nutrition, that's a big field that we're going to be addressing in the very near future. So watch this space. We'll post some information on our website. We're in the process of updating that as we speak. So keep an eye on the Facebook page, the Men's Health Clinic, and if you want to join our closed Facebook group, TRT in the UK, you are more than welcome for updates on everything, essentially, including clinic stuff, although it is an independent Facebook group. So everybody is welcome, even them, but they won't join because they're too scared. Oh no! Oh no! Yeah, there's no chance they're going to join. Yeah, I'd love you to join. Honestly, I would. It'd be so much fun. So much fun. Please join. We'll accept you. Come on. Come on, joy. So what else? Lifestyle. There are a few things that we are looking at from a lifestyle perspective, but it's all about philosophy, really. A mantra to live by. Hard work, perseverance, dedication, and helping you with those tools that are needed to achieve your goals. So appropriate goal setting, realistic expectations, and optimized health. Normal health. Optimized, normal, normal optimized. Because that's what you want to be.